Hey, my people, I don't bring another ogbonge story come give una today. My people, una remember when Ned wan come out come dey talk about im ex-wife Delilah, which the fifth wife come dey talk am say she dey sleep around, na im make him divorce her. My people, now Delilah don come out come talk say na lie o, say she no sleep around, say na Ned wan come dey tell dem wetin dey go actually dey do or dey talk for social media. So my people, how Ned wan come take dey send her message for WhatsApp. So my people, no be small thing o, this matter, una understand. Now she don come out come say Ned wan come still actually tell her make she delete her Instagram page. So my people, no be small matter, and no woman go open im eye come see say man wey marry you don divert all the love and at ten tion to one particular person. My people, now una no go dey happy now. Una wey be woman, una put una self for Delilah shoe. If you marry the man now come dey divert in particular love wey you suppose to still get for you small, divert am to one particular person, e get as e be. My people, and actually when Delilah marry, she go back to her country go marry their town person. Nobody tell her say wetin she do na bad thing. Actually, everybody really wish her well. Everybody wish her congratulations, happy marriage life. Nobody say wetin you do na bad thing, you just quick. It's like you just dey wait make this thing happen, you just quick you. No, nobody talk am. Everybody wish her well. My people, no easy. And e get one presenter actually wey talk, wey really draw my attention, wey say Ned the wives, e never ever carry them come out or carry them travel one day, apart from Regina Daniels. My people, this love wey Ned wan go get for Regina Daniels, no be small thing o. People dey say na kayamata. My people, kayamata or no kayamata, all wetin dey important say the man love Regina Daniels. You understand? Wetin una be dey expect before? Man marry first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Una feel say the man go get love for all the wives? No, he go get one particular one wey he love pass. Na so e dey be. So na the Regina Daniels na Ned wan go love well. My people, una understand? So na so the matter dey go. Una think am, those wey come from polygamist home, if una see say if una papa marry first wife, second wife, third wife, una go see say the love wey e dey get for una mama, e no come get am again. Either he love the second, or he go love the last wife, or either I love the first wife or I go love the last wife. My people, na so e dey be. So na so this Ned wan go matter be. So my people, at least now, as Delilah now don move on with her life now, she don be -1 o. -1. People, one wife don comot for Ned wan go life. So my people, I wish her well. Mona still wish her well. I still wish Regina Daniels well too, as Ned wan go don draw all im love to her. E good for her. I dey happy for her. I pray for the love to reign forever. My people, even though say they say kayamata, my people, even though na kayamata no kayamata, the most important thing say the man, they love each other. Now that one ain't the important pass. So as now when Delilah don't move on with her life now, my people, I really dey happy for her. Nobody really condemn her. Everybody wish her well. So Delilah, I wish you well, happy marriage life once again. My people, mona help me wish her happy marriage life. Now that one ain't the important for this life. As long as where you put your leg, e dey you happy. Now that one dey important. My people, mona pardon my manners, jare. Mona no vex say I no greet you. Now the matter take dey hot. Now take bring her come give us. My people, una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Depend on where una dey watch this video from. If today na una first time wey una dey across this channel, una no forget to subscribe, to like and to comment below. My people, una no forget to press the notification bell, and make una put una own comment below. Una understand? Una give me una own opinion concerning this video. Now that one is the important. Okay, my people, and then una not forget to press that notification bell, so that anytime when I upload video, e go dey sound and e go dey knack for una phone. All right, my people, una bye bye.
Jaroma product is working on you. It's working. You cannot say my product is not working. If not, how did a 21-year-old girl allow this to be published on your own page with your own words? Writing it like it's you, because they said this is what you wrote. You as the billionaire Ned Wonko. This isn't Regina's writing. She wrote her own last week. As in, we know it's her writing, but she said it's you, it's from you.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware